Hello, Introduction to Psychology students. Focus of this video is 3-4 final project, Milestone 3, Plan Support. As you continue plugging away in the web text, you will begin with the action plan that you see right here, and this will guide you through the development of Milestone 3, similar to the work that you completed for milestones 1 and 2. I'm going to jump back to the assignment rubric and provide a little bit of clarity on the expectations. Milestone 3 will be due in Module 3. You'll see the prompt here to give you a little overview, and then more specified information down here with plan support. So I'll go through these criteria right now. For A, identify relevant fundamental theories in psychology. What you're going to do is select 2 theories. Think back to the theories that you've covered so far in the course, that you've read about within the web text. You're going to identify 2 of those theories, and these theories should align and be supportive of your overall action plan. Keep that in mind as you work on these milestones. Keep the whole in mind. The whole is the final project, the action plan that you're developing. The milestones are the steps that take you to that. After you've identified these 2 fundamental theories, for B, you're going to provide a description of how you would apply these theories. The application of the identified theories is the key focus here. You want to be able to integrate them to support your action plan. For C, explain how you can use the perspectives of psychologists in different subject areas to approach your problem. As I mentioned in a previous video, when you think of the word perspective, think of angle. Different psychologists who have different backgrounds, whether it be biological, developmental, social, cognitive, personality, they all have a unique angle from which they view phenomena in psychology. So with these perspectives, you're going to look at the problem, approach the problem, discuss this approach from different angles. And for D, describe the ethical implications that will need to be considered. Psychologists don't just carry out research or implement action plans without first identifying what potential risk there is to participants or those who are involved with the program. Therefore, it is your job to think ahead, to do what psychologists do. Consider what the ethical implications are, and all of these problems that have been identified have ethical implications associated with them. You have to just identify what potential threats there are to people. What are the ethical implications of implementing your program? And the guidelines for submission are also here. You're going to develop it in Sumo. You're going to download the document from Sumo, and you're going to submit this assignment as a polished Word document. Keep in mind, similar to your other submissions, Milestone 3 should be in Times New Roman 12-point font, and the length should be approximately 3 to 4 well-developed paragraphs. As you work through the Sumo platform and get underway with the development of Milestone 3, reach out to your instructor with any questions.